Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a room tour. Let's get started. So you got my wardrobe and it's got lots of stickers on it. Then you've got my chair and my bed, which I haven't made yet. Then my desk and the puppy eaters thing from last time. And then I've got my beanbag, my teddies on it, my door hanger, and my mirror. Okay, that concludes our room tour for today. Bye!